Number 3, let go and let God. Let go and let God. Unsa kasagara ang hinungdan nganong chaotic atong panghuna-huna ug kasing-kasing because we try to fix things by ourselves. Ay, inanion ni nako. Inanion na rin ako. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hangak, kapoy. Unsa day pwede buhaton? Amen. The word is surrender. Para sa ato ang surrender kay weakness. But God said in His word, when you are weak, then I am strong. For my power is made perfect in your weakness. You will not experience the power, the strength of the Lord for as long as strong ka. Kaya ni mo ni self. Philippians 4, 6-7, everybody read 1, 2, 3, go. Sa instruction ni Lord, do not worry, do not be anxious. Why worry when you can pray? Pastora, unsa day buhaton nako? Kung pananglitan nag-worry jud ko, do not ignore worry ha. That's a normal human emotion. But to stay worried is another thing. Ang gitudlo day sa Dios, anything that worries you, isulat siya. No? Isulat siya dahil Lord, nabala ka ko ani number 1, dili na ko ma-maintain akong scholarship. Lord, nabala ka ko ani nga ma-hurt na ko akong mama. Lord, nabala ka ko ani nga bas hindi ko ka-graduate. List all your worries and tell it to God. Then move on. Lastly, surround yourself with godly community. Kabaw ba mo? Okay. Kabaw ba mo nga gatabi na mo? No, did you know that CJAM is a good community? No? Ayaw jud tuo sa hunghong sayawa nga kaya ra nimo on your own. You needed friends. Yeah, no man is an island. No man stands alone. Walay nakadaog siya gera nga siya ray isa. Naa jud kay support group. No, that when it's time to cry, we can cry together. You need to determine kinsa day akong core. Ayaw po nang daghan kaayo. Kay pag daghan kaayo mo, ang tendency, bitaw na, selos-selos. Grabe, mas close man mo ni Kuan. Uy, kamu lagi per mi kuyog. Do not choose a crowd. Just choose your core. Meaning your core, kanang lunod patay. Unsay pasabot, pastor ako, lunod patay. Who will stick with you through ups and downs. Munay lunod patay.